This 3D print is of the platypus that I purchased the still from online. I printed it at 75% using eSun PLA Plus. It took just a little over 12 hours to print. So get rid of this leader. Printed on a raft simply because I had a raft setting on the thing, and that's what I did. So there's no reason one way or the other. So there's the raft, came right off. There's my platypus, he's moving all over the place. Printed very well. So there he is. Little flippers move. I don't know if they lock in place or not, probably not. Yeah, they might. But the head's not going to stand up. So he's got all this movement. Kind of a fun little print. So there's the platypus printed in a brown. Probably need to print that one in gray or something.